Grilling flawless fish fillets is a tricky task, but these simple steps will help you achieve the best results when cooking on grates, planks, or foil. When cooking fish fillets on grates, first heat the grill on high for about 10 to 15 minutes. Brush the grates with a wire grill brush. Then coat the grates liberally with oil using a paper towel and tongs. Place your fish fillet diagonally on the grates. Close the grill and reduce the heat to medium, cooking for 2 to 4 minutes before trying to lift it up with tongs. If it sticks, allow it to cook for 30-second intervals until it lifts off easily. Then flip it over and close the grill for another 3 to 7 minutes. When it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the grates for serving. When cooking fish fillets on a wooden plank, begin by soaking the plank in water for 2 hours. Then place it on the grill with the fish fillet on top. Close the grill and cook the fish for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the fish reads a proper internal temperature, brush it with the marinade. Then remove the plank from the grill for serving. When cooking fish fillets in foil, start by tearing off 2 pieces of foil that are at least 10 inches by 10 inches in size. Grease the sides of the foil using oil, butter, or cooking spray. Then add your fish, vegetables, and other ingredients to the bottom piece of foil. Place the second piece of foil on top and fold the edges to create a packet. Use indirect cooking by heating one side of the grill to medium-high. Place the packet on the unlit side of the grill and cook for 8 to 10 minutes before removing it from the grill. Finally, cut the foil open with a knife, allowing any hot steam to escape before serving. By following these step-by-step tips, you're bound to grill and serve stellar fish fillets like a seasoned pro.